Come with us as we stay at the Holiday Inn in Blackpool. We're going to see the Illuminations, we're going to play some games, and Scott is going to try some chicken feet. But also stay tuned till the end where we share our brand new challenge that we actually already started but we keep forgetting to tell you about. Now let's get to Blackpool. Whenever you're going into Blackpool, you always have to have a competition with whoever you're with of who sees the tower first. Now, I'm at a distinct disadvantage, being visually impaired, but I am still going to try and see it first because Scott shouldn't be looking around for Blackpool Tower. He needs to be concentrating on driving. So if you see it first, that means you're dangerous driving.
Means I'm paying attention far in the distance.
What, in case you crash into Blackpool Tower? Checked in. That all went really well. Quite busy. But
it was just after 3 o'clock though, wasn't it?
It was, and we didn't actually have to wait that long. Checked us in pretty quick, and then here we are. Let's do a room tour. I thought I'll open the curtain so we can see the whole window. There's no more window.
I like the bathroom. The bathroom is very nice.
Demonstrating how wide the shower is. Is it wide? That's pretty wide.
It doesn't look that wide.
It's pretty wide. I thought it was pretty wide, but no.
It's quite deep though as well, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't do it this way, but it's pretty deep. Like, you could definitely get in. We're not going to. I'm just saying. But yeah, that's little speech towel. And this, what's this? Shampoo, hand and body wash, conditioner. I will not be washing my hair, but you will. What little of it is left. Customize your pillow experience. So now you've seen the room. I think it's a really good size.
I like it, yeah.
It's a decent size, like nice big bed, nice little seating area, desk area. The bathroom's good. Full shower, which I like. Much prefer that to over the bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Decent little sofa area.
I just said that.
Oh, did you?
I said seating area.
Seating area. Sofa. Comfy. This will be my bed
Carry on.
when I get kicked out.
Yeah, so we are going to get changed and we're going to go and see the Blackpool Illuminations and we're going to go out for dinner.
Yeah.
Where are we going for dinner?
Michael Wan's Walk In.
Yeah, that sounds right. So let's get ready to go out. So we're all showered and changed, and now we're gonna go and have some dinner, and then we're gonna go look at the illuminations. Okay, come with us.
Smooth as always.
City lights glow bright, shadows dance in night. Colors shift and play, darkness fades away. Neon signs so bold, stories they unfold. Asphalt mirrors dreams in the midnight's gleam. Colors of the night shining in our sight. Every hue and light making wrongs feel right. Skylines draw so near, echoes I can hear. Footsteps on the ground, music all around. Colors of the night shining in our sight. Every hue and light making wrongs feel right.
Scott, how were the chicken feet that you just ate?
They were robbery.
Would you eat them again?
No.
But you know, texture aside, what did they actually taste like?
Chicken.
So they did taste nice.
No,
but
they were nice. No, they weren't nice. They were weird.
but it was just the
They were
texture.
crunchy but rubbery.
Yeah, they look
And-
really rubbery.
Yeah, they were an experience.
Making wrongs feel right. Scars above align, hearts begin to shine. In this world so bright, walking through the night. Neon signs so bold, stories they unfold.
We're back from the meal, which was nice.
Yes.
Service was good, food was good.
Yes, and then we had fun. We walked from the North Pier to the South Pier, and we're both absolutely knackered, so we got the tram back.
Yeah.
But the lights were cool. I like them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're surprisingly good.
Yeah, I liked it. It was fun. Yes, we had fun, and now we're gonna get ready for bed. And we'll see you in the morning. So we're all packed and ready to go and explore Blackpool by daylight. We only saw it in the dark really yesterday, didn't we?
True. Yeah.
So what have you thought of the hotel?
The hotel's been alright, yeah.
Yeah.
The bed was comfy, the room's big.
It's a good size, yeah.
Staff were friendly, the few that we've dealt with.
Yeah, the check-in was quick. It's been relatively quiet as well. I don't really feel like other guests have woke us up. Like banging. Not,
Yeah.
Maybe a bit, but not as much as you get in other hotels. Yeah, I like it. I think, would you say it's on a par with a Premier Inn? Or slightly better than a Premier Inn? Because this is the first time I've ever stayed in a Holiday Inn.
I would say it's slightly better than a Premier Inn, maybe.
Yeah. but we are going to stay in a Premier Inn next month, so we will review that and share and decide which is better.
Yeah.
But we do get a little fridge here, and I don't think we get them in Premier Inns.
Not that we've used it.
Not that we've used it, no. But we got one.
So we'll have the option.
Location-wise, I think it's a really good location. The train station is literally just there. There's a tram stop right next door the other way.
Underground.
Underground, apparently. And it's less than a 10-minute walk down to the North Pier and then the tower. So it is a good location. So yeah, so we enjoyed our stay, and now we're gonna go and explore Blackpool if you wanna come with us.
Wake up, feeling good. Coffee's on, as it should. Weekend, feeling fine. I got plans, it's all mine. Look up, not crowded inside. Even the 67 starts without a fight. We take off. We got the radio on. Sun shining right in my eyes.
Probably gonna try them on. Health and hygiene. Where you buy it, because they're usually needed in Blackpool. We were going to look at the shops on the pier, but nothing's open at the moment. But there's the tower, looking cool. So it is a Monday morning, and it's the 4th of November. But like, this place is like a ghost town.
Feels like the start of a horror movie.
Cup. I should have been wearing my shades like I usually do. I know I should hold this.
So tide's still in, so you can't really see the beach at all. It's quite a nice sandy beach though. If you're not familiar with Blackpool Beach, it is very sandy. Seagulls are there, so Scott's all the way over there because he's terrified of birds.
So we decided, because we're staying in all these different hotels, we were going to set ourselves a challenge to stay in all 48 counties in England. We'll get to the other countries at some point, hopefully. one thing at a time. Yeah, so we're going to try and stay in all 48 counties. So far we've stayed in, or maybe not stay, but like go for a day out there.
Yeah, an activity.
Do something. So we stayed in Merseyside, we stayed at the Crown Plaza in Liverpool, and you can see that video. I'll link it in the description below. We stayed in London, is it Greater London? The county?
Greater London.
Whichever, we stayed there. And now, where are we now?
Lancashire.
Oh, Lancashire, yes, Lancashire. I couldn't even remember.
Believe it or not, she's from the north.
I couldn't even remember which town I was in. Yeah, so now we're in Lancashire. Yeah, so that's 3 out of 48. We're off to Warwick soon, so that's Warwickshire done. Yeah, I know, I understand where the town was, where we're going. Yeah, so we've set ourselves this mission. We don't know how long it's going to take us. Obviously, we're a bit restricted because Scott actually has a full-time job. I do have a job, but I'm my own boss, so I can go on holiday whenever I like. So we are a bit restricted, so we're not sure how long it's going to take, but we're looking forward to it because there's quite a few counties I've never even been to.
Yeah, and there's loads of nice places in England to go. Yeah,
and that's what we're looking forward to showcasing, is how nice it can be to go on holiday in the UK.
Let us know what you'd like to see, whether it's city breaks or countryside breaks or whatever. We're up for most things, I would say.
Don't know.
I'm up for most things.
Yeah, and let us know, would you want us to review hotels like this, like chain hotels, or would you rather we stayed in independent places or cottages? Let us know in the comments and we'll see what we can do. Yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
Bye.